Hi everyone, what is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? I'm gonna try to keep this intro short, simple, and sweet because I'm gonna be doing a life update, talking y'all's ears off, and I'm gonna be unboxing something that I got from Chanel. I'm gonna put chapters down below if you want to skip to a particular point in the video. You're more than welcome to. I would recommend sticking around for the life update and the unboxing together, but that's like solely up to you. And so yeah, with that being said, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it's free and it helps me out tremendously. And with that being said, let's get into the life update. As you can tell from this bed behind me, I am in Florida. I'm at my mom's house, and when this video goes up, I don't know when it's gonna go up, so could be September, could be October, don't have no idea. But when this goes up, I have officially moved from Germany back to Florida, and I'm trying to get all of my ducks, I guess, in a row, and it's been exhausting. It's been difficult. I posted a video of me purchasing a car, or showing you guys my car. I didn't really film the process of purchasing the vehicle because it went a lot quicker than I expected it to. I go into, I guess, all the details in that video regarding price, time frame, all of that stuff, but I literally got back to Florida on a Thursday, and I purchased the car on a Friday, and I picked it up on the Saturday, and it all took time, I would say 3 hours, and that's it. I was very straightforward. I knew what I wanted. I did all the research that I possibly could on a vehicle, and I picked my brand new car, and I might link it up above or down below in the eye if you guys want to check it out. You're more than welcome to. And the next thing that's on my list, I start school soon. When this video goes up, I've already started school. That's also going to be kicking my butt. And the next thing that's on my checklist is to find an apartment. And y'all, South Florida, it is so expensive. I'm just shocked by the rental prices. I'm shocked by the house prices. I'm shocked by the interest rates. I'm shocked by everything. I once had an apartment 8 years ago. Literally 8 years ago, I had an apartment that was $500 a month. And that same apartment right now is, I think, over $2,000. It's so crazy to me how expensive stuff is. And so yeah, I'm going to be looking for an apartment. I'm looking for 2 or 3 bedrooms. I'm not really picky about like if it has a garage, if it doesn't have a garage. I need it to be pretty. I need it to be in a nice area. I need it to be close to my school. I need it to be close to my job. I need it to be close to all of these things, and that's what I'm doing right now, or that's where I'm at right now. So that is my life update. I'm going to probably make videos of me moving into my new apartment whenever that happens. So when this video goes up, hopefully by the time this video goes up, I will have already signed like a lease agreement, contract of some sort, and I've already moved in, but it's just taking me a while to get all the videos, you know, processed and everything. Keeping my fingers crossed, because if I speak it out into the universe and I manifest it and I think about it, it will actually happen. And I don't know how I'm gonna structure this part of the video because it's all over the place as always, but I will, I think, unbox first and then go into how much I paid, where I got it from, shopping experience, and all that stuff, because I've been sitting on this purchase for months, you guys. I have not seen it yet, and I am just so excited. This is pre-loved, so let's get right into it. This, my mom did everything. She opened it, y'all, and had to retie everything, and she was like, I'm so sorry. I'm like, it's no big deal. So she saw it before me. She was like, it's beautiful, and I was like, don't ruin it for me, girl. This is what the box looks like. Let me see how to open it. Oh, I don't know how to open this box, you guys. Does it go like, how? Oh, there it goes. Okay, you open it like this. It comes in a little bag, dust bag like this. There are, oh my lord, like booklets and care instructions from Chanel in the bag. I'm not really going to open this, nor do I care about that. I think I know how to take care of a bag. Watch me say that and then ruin it. Then you open the dust bag like this, and then out comes, I see it. It is the Chanel Mini rectangular 21K pink iridescent bag with silver hardware. There's like nothing wrong. I mean, that's what I guess the description was, that it was never used, never worn, no marks, no odors, no nothing. And it honestly doesn't look like it's been touched ever in its lifetime. And so you turn it, you open it, and then there's the inside of it. I'm going to take the paper out and see what's all in here. They have little flaps, covers. Ooh, and here's the chain. And let me see. I'm scared to take off the paper. Oh, I have to take off the paper though if I want to. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. I think my mom, she might have messed with the bag. Nothing against her or anything like that, but I think she messed with the bag, and that's why some of the stuff isn't properly placed. This is what the strap looks like without the paper and fully pulled at its length. Ooh, and it sits perfectly on me. I love this bag. First and foremost, I'm not a Chanel shopper. I've had so many bad experiences in the store that I will not go into the store to buy Chanel. Nothing. Ever in my life. Like literally, if I see something in the store on the wall and I love it, I will search for it online to buy it pre-loved, to buy it new from someone else, a secondhand seller. I just hate going in to Chanel. The customer service at every Chanel store that I've ever been into has been abysmal, has been horrible. I feel, and I think I've talked about this in a few other videos, that always being berated for wanting an item that they sell, that they scoff at the idea of me asking for a classic flap or a special color that they are literally selling to customers, and I am a person with money wanting to buy the items, and they're like, how could you dare waste my time asking me to get this item for you? And so it's just been, you know, hit and always a miss for me. So that's why I don't purchase directly from Chanel, because I didn't get this bag cheaper, you guys. I'm pretty sure I paid a little bit of a premium. I don't remember exactly what I paid. I'll try to find the receipt, but I know that it was, I'm pretty sure, the same, if not more, than what it was in the store. So it's not necessarily about the price for me. It's the principle of, I want a good shopping experience, and I don't want to feel like I'm on an assembly line. And so 21K, 2021 it came out. I saw the bag, loved it. At the time, I didn't really have money for it. And there was an influencer, I don't know, I would say a year ago. She purchased an item from an online Instagram boutique secondhand store, and she ranted and raved about the process. And I was like, oh, well, let me just go check out this store. And I followed them on Instagram, and basically they just put a whole bunch of bags up for sale all the time, you know, constantly going through new inventory. And one day, I think 6 months after that, they posted this bag that they had it. And I was like, oh my Lord, have mercy. And then I think it was even longer than that, a few months passed. And I asked them, because the price was relatively high for the bag, I sent in an offer to them, and I was like, hey, I see that this bag is still available in your inventory and a little bit of time has passed. I'm very interested in purchasing the bag. Is there any way that I could send you an offer? They said yes, and I was so excited, you guys, because I really wanted this bag. What I realized though is that it's solely up to discretion of the pre-loved shop that you are purchasing from, and we could even go as far to say that it's dependent on the bag. You may go into a store, shop on a website, and offer bag A, or offer them on bag A, a 10% discount, or like a 10% off offer. And they say, yes. You do that same thing on bag B, and they're gonna be like, no girl, we're gonna actually charge you 10% over. the price for this bag. So if you're trying to get a very trendy bag, a newly released bag, a newly, how do you say, inventoried bag, a lot of times those things will not be discounted, nor will they accept discounts, and you'll probably have to pay a premium for the bag. And so I had this on my watch list, my wait list, and a few days passed, a few weeks passed, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna ask them if they accept offers. And it's because it came with other bags in this same collection. I don't know, I'm pretty sure they were all 21K bags, and this was the last one. All the other ones got sold, but this one stayed, and I was like, no problem for me, because I'm gonna get her. I think for this bag I paid, I don't know the exact amount, you guys. It was $4.4 to $4.6. I will put it on the screen or put it down below in the description box if you're interested. And if I'm not mistaken, the retail price was either $3.9 or $4.3. And after tax, where I would live, it sat right at like the price that I paid for the bag. I might have paid a little bit more, but I was okay with that because I really wanted this bag. I don't know if I told y'all who I purchased it from though, because I've been rambling on so long. I got it from Opulent Habits. I will link them down below. Like I said, the process was amazing. An influencer that I follow, like I said, she ranted and raved about their service, and that she purchased the items with her own money. She was no way affiliated with them, and she loved everything. And I had the same experience, you guys. It was fast, it was easy, it was simple, they were flexible, they were kind, and I'm just like, it was such an awesome experience. They also gave me the certificate of authenticity, and I also did my own, and everything was, you know, came back, check marks, green marks, checks, thumbs up, that you have an authentic bag. So I feel secure in this purchase. I don't know. You never know. That's the thing. You never know with secondhand items, no matter what anyone says of, oh, we know 1000%, or oh, we can say it's an authentic bag. No one 1000% knows except for the retailers. That's why I love shopping retail, and I don't buy too much pre-loved. But if you have two different authentication services, ooh, y'all, I feel sort of secure. And I also know what Chanel feels like. I know the quality of their bags, I know the structure of the bag, the leather of the bag, the straps of the bag, and this feels authentic. So it's always a fear in the back of my mind to buy pre-loved like this, but I do feel they went above and beyond to maybe get rid of that fear. And I also did my own homework and research to make sure that I got a real authentic piece as well. It's been sitting in my closet for months and I have not opened it, and oh my gosh, I love it so much. And the reason I got this one, you guys, I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all, is because of the price point. In my opinion, I think this is half the price of the small classic flap, and it's missing some of the core pieces of a classic flap, but you're still getting like the aesthetics of a classic flap, and I'm okay with that, and I'm happy with that. And so for me, the difference between a mini rectangular and a small classic flap did not justify a double price like increase. For some people it does, but you know, the strap being like this and not being able to be adjusted isn't a deal breaker for me, because I have bag adjustment clips. I have them linked down below in my Amazon storefront, so that wasn't a big no-go for me. If I want to make this a shoulder bag, I can, no issue. I still have the Mona Lisa flap on the back. You open it, there's maybe not as much organized interior space, but that also wasn't a deal breaker for me because this is a mini bag, and the small as well, you can't carry too much in there to begin with, and the interior capacity was almost the same between the Chanel small classic flap versus the mini rectangular. This is not a classic flap bag, but it is a flap bag, but it's not part of Chanel's core classic flap family, and that's important to note for people that are maybe interested in buying Chanel. I'm okay with this being an imposter because it's beautiful, it's what I wanted, and I'm so excited about this bag. If I missed anything, you guys, I will let you guys know about it in the actual review of this bag, where I show you everything fits, what it looks like. I'll go over price again, I'll go over colors, I'll go over everything. So I'm sorry that I'm sort of like all over the place because I really didn't prepare to make this video, and I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful little baby. And so with that being said, Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love y'all. I love you too. Have a wonderful day, and bye.